One of the big mistakes that people make is what we call self-dealing. And self-dealing goes along the lines of not following the terms of the will, or maybe as the executor, you are going to say, I am following the will, I'm just interpreting it in my favor. However you want to characterize it, that's self-dealing. You can't do that. So, for example, let's say you're the executor and then there is a house to be sold and you're not the only beneficiary of the estate. You've got, there's 5 of you that are going to inherit from this estate, and it's all going to be equal. But you really want to, be the owner of this house, and you're the executor, so you're the one that changed the keys on the house. You're the one handling, paying the utility, making sure the insurance is on the house, and handling the estate sale. You're doing all of that, and you're thinking, well, I could just be living in this house too. Frankly, if you're living in that house, you should be paying rent on that house to the estate. And then when it comes to the time of what are you going to do with the house, you say, well, I would like the house. I think I'm going to sell it to myself for a really good deal. You can't do that. You have to sell it to yourself for fair market value. And is the tax assessed value fair market value? Maybe, maybe not. Is a comparative market analysis you get from the realtor fair market value? Maybe, maybe not. The safest thing that you can do is actually pay for an appraisal. Get an appraisal that says, this is what the house appraises for, this is the value. And if that house appraises for $500,000 and it's going to come to you, then aside from the little details of excise tax and this and that and reporting fees, let's just take 500,000 as the round figure. Each of your siblings, the 4 others, are going to get $100,000. You have 100,000 equity in the house, but you're going to have to either pay from your own cash or from your own resources the amount of the money that the house is really worth. You can't get a good deal for yourself. That's self-dealing, and that's not allowed under the law. Maybe your siblings say it's fine, maybe not. I just certainly wouldn't recommend that you do that.